Welcome back everyone to the Korean Keto Guy channel, and in today's episode I've got broccoli fried rice with seaweed squares, right, from the packet, New York extra sharp cheddar cheese, and a cheese grater. Oh yeah, you bet I'm gonna shred a ton of cheese onto this awesome keto-friendly dish. As you can see, it's basically little cut up broccoli. It's like cauliflower rice, except in this case it's broccoli rice. And it's stir fried, just kind of like how you would have, if you weren't on keto, right, you had fried rice. This is what inspired me to make this, right? It's because, I don't know, oddly enough, I was craving fried rice, and obviously can't have rice on keto, but I figured the texture on broccoli might be really similar. Stir fried it up with some eggs and soy sauce, and this is what I have. So I'm super excited to eat this for y'all. I know that, of course, given the current circumstances, everyone's probably just, chilling at home, being safe, which is, I'm all for it. I'm here in New York City, right? So of course, same deal, just being home, safe, clean. It's the right thing to do. And yeah, I'm always a positive guy, glasses half full. So everything's gonna be all right eventually. So that being said, let's do the fun part. Oh yeah, of course, how can I forget? I have my sriracha hot sauce for today. That'll be my hot sauce of choice. Cheese grater. Let's get this cheese opened up. All right. Oops. Yeah, these things are never easy to open. There it is. So I have that. So there, I'm sure you all know what a cheese grater is. So if you guys take a look, there's different sizes of what you can grate cheese at. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maybe start with the smallest one. Not the smallest one, but like the medium one. Let's see how that turns out. Oh yeah, that's working out okay. Oh, look at that. Now it's safe to grab it from underneath like this. This is fine. It's just not safe to obviously go on the other side and grab. This is looking awesome. Let's continue doing this here. Now, of course, always be careful. That's why I like to switch sides, so you don't grate your fingers. All right. I believe that should be good enough. You can always put more, but I'm gonna stick with this for now. Makes a little bit of a mess. It's okay. Put the cheese right there. Get the seaweed right there, because if you guys used to do this, the way I used to do it is I would have my fried rice and I would make little seaweed wraps with them, make essentially little kimbap, or like little sushi, not sushi rolls, but like little rolls without the sushi. And that's exactly what I'm planning to do. So check a look at that. That's how fine the cheese comes out when it's grated. And then definitely let's dump a lot of this stuff on there. All right, and voila, this is what we've got. Broccoli fried rice, super keto friendly, with just eggs stir fried with broccoli style rice, soy sauce, coconut oil, of course, shredded cheese, sharp cheddar, extra sharp actually in this case, New York extra sharp, sriracha, seaweed squares. I'm excited because it's almost, what time is it here in New York City? It is a little past 2, it's 2:18. I'm hungry, about to break my fast again. 잘 먹겠습니다. Oops. Oh my god. Holy cow. That is so delicious. Let's try some of these first. This is awesome. Guys and girls here, I can't believe this. This is bringing me back as if I'm really eating fried rice. I can't believe it. And the cheese is just making this, it's like on a whole new level with the cheese. Guys, this is awesome. Whoa. Especially if you're ever craving something like this, like you want that fried rice type of dish that's salty with soy sauce, and the cheese is just, you know, me being keto. But I used to eat my fried rice with like American cheese squares, you know, stuff like that. So this kind of comes close to that, and my gosh, it's a little bit of a mess here, but I'll clean that up later. With the seaweed, this is so good, guys. Oh my god. I like to just put it on here on top of my spoon. Guys, this is awesome. This is seriously amazing. You know what? Sorry guys, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna get one more bite. I'm gonna tell you guys my idea with this one here. Oh, now that I have a second to breathe here. The shredded cheese. This is what really makes a dish come alive in the sense that the texture on the broccoli is a little rough. So it's not quite like you're eating rice, because it's really rough. It's like you're eating dry rice that hasn't been cooked long enough. But with the combination of the shredded cheese, it gives it that soft texture with a hard texture that almost tastes like legit real fried rice. And just make sure, if you're using a cheese grater, right, don't use the biggest holes. The trick is, I'm using now here the ones behind it, which is like kind of like a medium size. These are smaller here, but I'm basically using the smaller size of the cheese, and that's what does it. This is what did it here for me. No, this is what it is doing it for me, rather. Here we are. So being keto, whoops, have at it, guys. Have at this shredded cheese awesomeness. Just be careful here. I'm seeing my fingers getting close. Uh-oh. Okay. And as long as you're grabbing it from bottom up, you should be fine. And here we go, guys. My God, look at all this. Kind of looks like white rice. I think that's what it is too. It's like the visual appeal and the crunchy texture of the broccoli and the eggs, and it really just tastes like fried rice. Let's mix it in a little bit. For sure, the shredded cheese is what's doing it. This is so good, guys. Look at that. With the shredded cheese, you're allowed to make little wraps. Otherwise, it just kind of falls over the place. Guys, last of the seaweed. Look at that. With the cheese, it makes it sticky enough, like you're eating sticky white rice. That's what I was looking for. Look at that. Wrap it up. Guys, that was so good. I'm a little shocked how good that was. this is what did it. The shredded cheese and the grater. If you don't have one of these, I actually got this for Christmas. It was really cheap. It was like a white elephant gift. And oh my god, that's what made this. This cheese is what gave it the texture of that sticky white rice you would get from like a fried rice dish, along with the seaweed. I was actually able to, just as you saw, I made like little rolls. It was so good. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, right, as always, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely, right, given the circumstances we are here today, be safe. You may be also asking how I even got this food. Definitely have been taking advantage of Amazon Prime, Amazon deliveries, Whole Foods deliveries. I've had a Prime membership for years and it's finally come in handy, right? So I've been using that to get all this food. But yeah, guys, as I said before, I'm an optimist, glass is half full. Everything's gonna be okay. Just stay healthy, be good. And until next time, I hope you all stay safe and see you in the next Keto Guy video, Korean Keto Guy video next week. Take care.